Everybody, this is Luke from Billings Plan Room. I want to talk to you about a feature that we have on the Plan Room called the Contact Watch List. This is a helpful tool if there's companies that you like working with and you like to follow them and see what projects they're working on. It's a great way to stay engaged with them. So you can get to the watch list several different ways. Let's go to the bidding tab. And from the bidding tab, if you click on search, you can go to the watch list here and you can see I have one company on the watch list. Or you can also get to that from here on the grid, show contact watch list. All right, I'm going to add the city of Billings to my watch list. So I'm going to do a search here for the city of Billings. And I'm going to grab the city of Billings. Let's see, who do we want to follow? The engineer's office. We like working with those folks. So I'm going to add the city of Billings engineers to my watch list. If I go back to my watch list now, I can see I've got Billings Builders Exchange and the city of Billings engineers. So the thing about the watch list is if you click on the name, then what it's going to do is it's going to run a search and find you all of the projects that company is involved in on the Builders Exchange. So I'm going to look at this request for proposals for for Builders Exchange, and you can see a company that is on your watch list will show up in yellow. You click on the house. You can see you can remove them from the watch list. If they're not on your watch list, this is how you could also add them to the watch list. So watch list is a great feature, kind of underrated, kind of hidden. Most people don't know about it. I hope you learned something from this video, and we'll catch you in the next video.